Did y'all see that transformation? Did you see me transform? Hello. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I got all these inches like overnight, stay tuned for the video. So we have the box right here. This is the Unice Natural Extensions of You box. This is a 100% human hair wig. It is made in China and it is a 16-inch, I think a 1B or like natural black color. And let's open the box and see what's inside. I mean, I've opened the box. Okay, so it's not a complete unboxing. I feel like I never do that because I want to make sure that I'm, you know, gonna know what I'm gonna record. I don't want to go to record and the next thing I don't even want to do the I don't even want to go to record and the next thing I don't want to keep the product that I'm going to review. So I do a little preliminary openings, but I didn't do anything to the wig yet. I haven't washed it. I put it back in the original bag. Comes in a little bag, and in that little plastic bag you have the wig, and it's in a wig net. So besides the wig in the box, you also get these lashes, which come in a pretty nice compact right there. They're all pretty one length, which isn't really a lash that I wear that often. However, I can cut these and use them as little individuals because we'll find a way to use them. Aside from the lashes in the box, you also get a light beige wig cap. It is nude for someone, not quite my nude, so you have that in there. To the main event, which is the actual wig that's in the box. Now I wanted to get a U-part wig because, one, my hair has been growing out, and it's been growing out pretty lovely, and I've been really enjoying what it's gonna be like, but it's now in that in-between stage where I feel like my hair is like medium length to getting maybe long, or like when it's straight. My hair is like a short to medium. I'm never sure like what length I can describe my hair as, but I know that the front or the top of my hair comes down to at least hair if straightened. I used to have highlights, if anyone's noticed. I have recently dyed my hair dark, went back black, and it's the blackest black I have like ever seen in a while. I'm feeling like some kind of count. It's not that bad. It will wash out a little bit. However, I also wanted my natural hair to fit the wig a little bit better, but now that I'm seeing the wig, it looks like my hair is even darker than this wig, so I'm gonna have to like dye the wig. Let's hope it's not that serious. Let's see. This is the hair texture of the wig right out of the box. I haven't done anything to it. It has a nice little bit of shine. It looks healthy. Doesn't look too dry. This is the 16-inch wig again. So there are 3 little wedge clips at the top of the wig, and there are 3 wedge clips at the bottom, as well as 2 adjustable straps. I did go in after I got the wig and opened it the first time. I added these 2 extra clips on the sides because after the little clip that's right here that you can slide into your hair, there's this like piece of at least like 1 inch of fabric that doesn't have any clip there. So that part of the wig I noticed was like raising up and not able to sit flat around my head. So I thought that adding the extra clip on the side would just give it a little bit more support, and so it just gets real snug and flat. These wigs work by being like an extension of the hair you already have. So right now I have my hair, I have the sides of my hair all wrapped into like a low bun. The top of my hair I have clipped up and separate. Now the top of my hair, we're going to straighten it. I'm going to use a flat iron. So right now I'm just taking the clip that's in the back of the wig and I'm going to affix it right behind where I have the little top knot. Then I'm going to try to wedge in the other clip, and then snapping clip. Is that what you do? Okay, there we go. That feels like it's in there. Okay, you're kind of just feeling around. Like feeling around in the dark. Ow, okay. Okay, and then I got that other clip that I have. Okay, just clipped that on. Alright, so is it on? Ow, my back. Oh, you guys, I threw my back out like 2 days ago. I'm not even sure what I was doing. I think it's really just age. And now I have to tell my friends when they're asking me how am I and what I'm up to, and I'm like, oh, I'm just laying on the carpet because I threw my back out. That's how my weekend was going. How was yours? I guess everyone's also got a bad back, and we're all aging, and the world is burning, and please realize that we all need to care about each other because the government don't care about us, so we need to care about us. We're gonna wanna take out your leave out section, and now this is like quite a large amount of leave out. Yes. I'll start in the back area and then I'll make my way forward. And just like that, we are back. Now, with my real hair down, it kind of looks like I have a curtain bang, kind of. Can you see my real hair? Wait, which way should I turn? This way's better, maybe. This is my real hair. I curled it kind of down, but you can see how like this, the wig hair is like, there's definitely like 2 different lengths. There's my real hair here, and then the wig goes further down. So what I want to do to kind of make the wig more custom to my head and my hair, right here where that piece is where it meets my real hair. My real hair is right there, this is the wig. So I'm gonna take the wig and I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna be cutting down at an angle. Okay, so I'm gonna take my scissor on the hair. I should probably look in the mirror. I'm gonna take my scissor right there and I'm going to feather that down. And that will take out a little bit of hair. And then with that, okay, yes, we have a new length. So this is our new length of wig. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl this now back in the same direction as my hair has been curled. Oh yeah, so already this is the side where we cut. You can see like there's that shorter piece there, and then this is the side that we didn't touch where there's the wig length right there, and then there's my hair. So this side compared to this side. What do y'all think? This took maybe 15-20 minutes of me going through and making little piecey layers throughout the hair. So you can see like now the hair isn't all one length. There's some that I made in like the middle, and then there's my hair which is like right here. So there's like stages or levels or layers, whatever you want to call it. So the layers really help to blend into my hair a little bit better since my hair is all kind of one length and it's supposed to be blending into this wig. To make it more blendable, I decided to curl them all backwards, and I curled my hair into the U part itself. There's still like the pieces in the front that are a little bit separate, but it kind of just looks like I'm growing out a bang. And I'm not mad at that either, but my hair is too long to be an actual bang. However, I do have a clip-in bang, and really I just want to show like a quick way that a clip-in bang can change your whole look. Right now, this is just how I'm looking, right? Push in these bangs. A whole other person. A whole other... Did y'all see that transformation? Did you see me transform? Hello. Hello, little wispy bang. Oh wait, that little long piece, so separate. It's trying to help with the blending, but it's not working that well. So let's put our real hair over that little one piece of bang. There we go. Okay. Okay. What do you think? That is a $7 clip-in bang mixed in with my real hair there, and my real hair is like a jet black and it's pretty close. Then you can have your bang and you have your real hair as in your leave out, so I think it just makes it look even more realistic, and I'm definitely here for it. With the U-part wig, you can achieve inches, you can achieve a transformation in a very short amount of time, and it just, Hold on, let me take the bang out to not confuse anyone. This is again my natural hair, and the wig itself is like somewhere slightly right there. Basically, if you're looking to emphasize or if you're looking to change up your natural hair color and you don't want to be clocked and you don't want people to know, this could be your most natural looking option to add like a drastic difference. If you just wanted to add a little bit of length, you could also just get some clip-ins and then have them clipped under your hair. However, this wig has more hair than like the clip-ins I would usually buy. Again, this wig was $89.99, so almost $90, less than $100, and I have all these extra inches now. It's about to cross my little... If you have liked something that you've seen here today, or if you have had fun, or if you've liked the finished result and you are gonna try out a U-part, make sure to comment that down below. Let me know what kind of wig is your preferred style. Are you a wig person? Are you a clip-in person? Are you a U-part? What do you prefer and what do you like? And what should I try out maybe next? And is this the best option for me? Let me know what you think. If you've liked the video, go ahead and tell me by hitting the like button so that I know that. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be alerted every time that I post a video and it goes live. And make sure to check in with me here and check in with me at newness.com. Again, I go live at newness.com/ITSBRANDYNCROSS. That happens at 3 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and that is 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please look up for your other regions if you're somewhere. Thanks for watching my video today. I've had so much fun trying something new, coming up with like a new way to transform, okay, for less than $100. So it's something that you should definitely try out. They're never gonna know. They're never gonna know. Be safe, have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye.